How to change Snapchat password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Snapchat password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change our Snapchat password, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Tap the profile icon from the top left and then tap the gear icon located at the top right. Once we have done that, we will simply look for this option here known as password and then tap on it. All you have to do is first of all verify your current password, tap on continue. After that, it will take you to the page where you can simply choose a new password and confirm the new password, and then just tap this finish option to actually change your password. This way you can easily change your Snapchat password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.